No pants. I mean, you had the reverse order, Tesh, and then for the pants, we will never know. Anyways, we will never know. We will never know. Oh wow! Look at DJT. My goodness, that thing's on fire. Someone actually mentioned this to me last night, saying, with all the stuff that's going on in the state, it's like with the war, DJT might actually pump in a way to say, you know what, we support you instead of the current, you know. So that's interesting. Um, good morning, Josh. Good morning, Tesh. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Virus and Thrust. Good morning, Nas. Good morning. I'm scrolling up. Around, good morning. Rusty, good morning. Focus, good morning. Jared, good morning. Rusty, I think I said that already. Good morning, Josh. All the two Joshes and two Jays. Good morning. There you go. So, yeah, DJT's done really well. So, congratulations if you're playing with this thing. Congratulations. Bitcoin is impressive. Impressive. When I say impressive, I mean impressive. Like we just went from 59.5 to 65.5. That's impressive. That's impressive. If that doesn't tell you what's happening at 16, then and honestly now even with a scam dip where we're gonna go to 60 and then bounce again. Sheesh. Sheesh. Spy almost at 4,500 again. Could we have I was looking at that. I was just looking at that virus and thinking, I wanted this thing to give me a proper dip, more dipping, more dipping, but might not happen. It's Friday too, and we've been selling off all week. So, most of these guys are holding these puts. They need to kind of give us a scam, right? A scam rally, something. Um, something. Let's see what happens when we open. If we're opening and we're sitting above 500, like if we open and sell off and then go back above 500, then yeah. 498. That's what Joe wants. Joe wants 498. Right? So yeah, we're opening up almost at the high, so then you almost expect that sell off, but then what comes after that? That's the question. Right? He has to change his name. Let's go. Yep. Josh number one. Well, there's Josh, and then there's Josh number one, Josh number two. Teet, good morning. Tesla puts, but they will expire worthless. Maybe not. Tesla is almost down 1%. Maybe. If you sell it immediately at the open, maybe virus. Good morning, Paige. Anything below 500 is weakness. I agree. I completely agree. Again, we're opening up. I'm just thought, like the games they play at the end of the week, especially if we've gone one way for most of the week. Something usually happens at the end, right? So, but again, I do agree though. Anything below 500 is weakness. Honestly, anything below 503.50 is weakness, just like yesterday, right? So, the S&P is clearly weak, right? Do they play games on Friday though? That's the question. I think for sure we open and we potentially dip, but then let's see if we can get back above 500. If we do, then maybe they scam it. They scam it. I say we close above 503. Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Of Yeah, exactly. 503 is just a retest of the breakdown, confirmation of weakness, right? 503. Let me pull up the S&P on the daily here. Z Daily. I don't think we're really testing anything that's overly important. Joe posted some really nice charts in Discord last night. We are sitting in a nice little demand zone, but that demand zone goes all the way to 490. Right, so don't think we can really. Let me pull up the 4 hour here. Doo, 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 doo. Yeah, you can see where that that 496 level is coming from that Joe has been mentioning. And Interesting candles. Oh, this was pre-market. Yeah, look at that candle, 495. Look at that 4 hour candle. Oof, 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 oof. It would have been amazing if we opened at this price. I would be buying the damn dipskis. This would have been amazing. Beautiful spot. Unbelievable. But no, we could not do it. But no, they just had to scam it right back up. Scam it right back up. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, 495 ish. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, ES. Yeah. I think when we looked at those numbers last night, the futures were down like 1.5% or something. Big numbers, big numbers. Huge. And then here we are only down 17 cents this morning. What the hell? La la la. Yeah. When bouncy AGBA, I'll take a look. Take a look, Ski. Yeah, let's see what happens when the market opens, and then go from there. Clearly, still on that nice downtrend, right? Nothing's changed, especially when we go below the 200. Again, whether it's a micro cap or a large cap or the S&P, it doesn't matter, right? So you go below that 200, you have issues. So now the question is, can this become the bottom? Can we? Probably. Probably. Three shorts into the open. Three shorts. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Give us more dipskis. Virus, more dipskis, please. More dipskis. Bitcoin just went below 65, but don't think anybody's really concerned. Look at the market and look at Bitcoin. And then you have a bit of a. Anyways, TPET has done okay this morning. 4150, not bad. AGBA had some more news this morning. Really, not more news. They just spat out the same news that came out yesterday. So, not a huge deal. Alrighty. WBX is spamming in Discord a little bit here. So, pump and dump. This is why we say, you know what? Like, if we're approaching, like, if you get news, just wait for that second reaction. Um, just wait for that second reaction, right? Because a lot of pump and dumps like this happen. Yesterday. Do, 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 do. Uh, uh, the bid's not good. For RWOD, it's really not doing anything. It's consolidating at 1290, 1260. Yeah. Yeah, I do think we can retrace, but then the question is what happens after that though. Yeah. So yeah, you're just hoping for market open and a sell off, Joe. You might get stretched a little bit, but that's nothing new, you know. Thoughts on RWOD news? No thoughts. No thoughts. No thoughts. I don't really care about the news. Don't really care about the news. You know. Nah, 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 nah. Because that's how people end up holding banks. Because they're like, but this news is amazing. It's amazing. Just play the technicals. I will find you, Richard. Alrighty. So just play the technicals, please. Do, 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 do. Okay, there we go. Uh, offensive on the entire market have totally pulled back. Anyone know why? It's because these dudes are not actually doing anything. They're just they're not actually like doing anything. They're spending millions of dollars sending boomskis to the sky and then boomskis to nowhere. They haven't actually like hit anything. Good morning, Rob. You know, it's like Iran is sending rockets, 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 rockets. No man's land, space, boomskis. And then Israel is like, come on, we want to fight back. Boomskis, boomskis, boomskis. No man's land. Um, yeah. So, anyways, CLSK. What are we at this morning? Almost 17 cents. $17. Josh is gonna slap me. uh, yeah. Anyways, Josh, what's your question? Oh my goodness. Like a pillow fight? Yeah, like a pillow fight. That's what's happening. You know. So it always seems so crazy, doesn't it? The headline is like, oh my goodness, Israel just attacked, and then everything starts crashing, and then the more headlines you get, you're like, wait, okay, what did they hit? This is nothing. They didn't hit anything. Did they actually send a rocket, or what happened? What happened? And then the markets are like, wait, seriously, virus. I think that's one of the parts that's so sad. um, I think I said this yesterday. Like, you have these countries that like a lot of people will never get their homes back. Some people will like struggle, like no food, and then they're sending boomskis in the sky to no man's land. It's like, okay, that's cool, but that could have done your people could have really benefited from you looking out for them, instead of like one person's ego, because that's what it seems like. But anyways, um oh, la, 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 la. But that triggers the algos to sell. Yeah, exactly, Rob. Exactly. Anyways, ZCMD is bouncing there, Josh. I'm not sure what your question is though. Are you looking for an entry? Are you in it already? Let us know. Boomskis, boomskis, boomskis. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, as usual. Smash a like and please and thank you. AGBA is still creeping up. Resistance at $1.45. And then I'm just looking at some of these other stocks here. CLSK with a bit of a dip. It's a bit of a deep ski. Deep ski. A deep ski. Yeah, I really wonder if the S&P bounces today, or if we might actually again sell off immediately and then bounce in the morning and then sell off in the later parts, because we don't know what's going to happen over the weekend, right? Um, because you never know, you might have more headlines. So I don't know if people are really confident to buy the market into the close, but we shall see. What's SMFL doing? These guys announced they announced a split, right? Which is wild to me because the float is already 2 million and they're doing another split. Yeah, I know, Josh. Yep, yep. Yep. Choo. Why is it the same? Why is it the same article? Yeah. Anyways, moving on. Uh, the week of right bridge. I would like nothing better for the market to sell off at the end of the week. I just these market makers though, Joe, stretching. Omar, what's going on with ZCMD? China. These China names have done really well the last 2 days. China. So pumping on no news and pump and dumps. Ayo Gary, ayo. So I'm gonna pull up so SPY and BTC over here. So again, BTC is dipping, but honestly, nobody cares. Nobody cares. So we're gonna do that Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin. So Josh and I will be back today for the for BTC halving. I think this time is a little bit overly extended, but yeah. Oh come on, people, do better. Yeah, people really do slack on the likes, Gary. Um, but in the morning, I think so. I think so too, Joe. I think so too. I think so too. So I just wanted to look at Bitcoin on the daily here really quickly, and then we can move on. I mean, look at this candle. My goodness, look at that candle. Right. So it really doesn't matter if Bitcoin goes below 60. The only thing that's important here is that it's closing these candles above 60. Right? And clearly, over the we can go all the way back to March, the beginning of March. All of these candles are closing above 60. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. I think I might have moved this one a little bit. So that's all that matters. Deal. So we'll talk about this a lot more as the day goes on. Talk about it a lot more. But hopefully we get some Bitcoin rallies, Bitcoin mining stock rallies today at least. Yeah. The whales, not at all. No. These dudes are buying all the dip skis in the low 60s. All the dip skis. AGBA is still slowly creeping up there, isn't it? Interesting. ZCMD, downtrend stall, $2.90. Into the open. Just my hopes and dreams. On the time to pumpy, yeah. Oh yeah, people will always panic. And the more people panic and realize that, oh, okay, I just panic sold Bitcoin at $60,000. Why I would do that, I don't know. Why I would want to do that, I don't know. But I panic sold. So, but it's still holding above the damn price. Okay, so as time goes on, that starts to build a lot of confidence. Because again, like I said yesterday, as much as we would like to think that Bitcoin is what people should be buying when crazy things are happening, because potentially is there's still retail that panics, right? A lot of people that are in Bitcoin, especially the paper hands, are in for the quick pumpies and then run away, right? So when they see stuff like that happening, and then everything else is selling off, you know they're going to sell off Bitcoin too, right? So that will change with time as long as it continues to hold these solid levels, and the big monies is supporting with these ETFs and everything else. Down $60. Good morning, Freebo. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Jeff. Let's go. Get off my grass. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, I just stopped watching riots since good morning, Pavan. I just Richard. Good morning. I just stopped watching riots since they announced that massive offering. I just because that kind of tells you what they're capable of doing, you know. So I just stopped watching it. Tej loves that name though. Loves. Yeah. MNDR. What a beautiful stock. Sheesh. It's still up there at 21, 22. My goodness. Stock is impressive. I mean, it might as well just go. It's actually opening at all-time highs, Rich. I think might as well just go for $30. MNDR. Might as well just send it, you know? Do, 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 do. I'm about to all-time highs. AULT is one of those scammy penny stocks. Seems to be doing okay this morning though. Support at 32 cents. This one's selling off. RWOD is selling off. AGBA is looking good actually. It's going for the highs of the day into the open. So 145 to 150 resistance. AGBA. That doesn't look too bad. That does not look bad at all. Yep, there goes $1.50. Nice. Uh, okay, MRDB with offer. A possible offer. What does that even mean? A possible offer. Like a buyout? Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, there goes $1.55 for AGBA. A nice little breakout though, isn't it? Um, just be careful with this thing, please. Because it's running today from the same headline that it ran yesterday, so it's not like they have brand new news. It's just the exact same headline. Because you love a dividend, yeah. I like monies. Choo, choo, choo. Yeah, it's doing really well actually. Doing really well. Choo, 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 choo. Interesting. Choo-doo. Uh, Going after a Citadel or sure, sure. If you say so. La 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 la. If you say so. Do 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 do. Yeah, we're getting that dipski into the open here, Joe. We might get that scam pumpy at the open. Immediately at the open, scam pumpy. Scam pumpy. Let's see. Would have been so much nicer if this thing was in the abyss. Unbelievable. Stole my dips away. It's all Josh's fault. Buying dips in the middle of the night should be illegal. uh, 25% during the dips in okay, yeah, see, that's exactly what I'm saying. Several times, la la la. You need to be, you need to, for your portfolio's sake. Ray, good morning. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. I accept you slackers are sleeping and and I'm stacking. Unbelievable. No, 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 no. 55, well done. BPTH with the filing. I need to look at that SEC filing in a second here. In a second, I will take a look ski. Do, do, do. I will in a second. Okay. Let me pull up some other charts. Some other charts. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Threes. Interesting. I shared you to BTC being at 70 every month. You get monies. Yeah, depending on how Bitcoin is performing. Depending on how it's performing. Yeah. Don't leave me holding the check. Yep. I know. Every time I look at the dip skis, Josh is busy FOMOing into the dips. Busy FOMOing into the dips. You know who I feel so, well? I mean, you know who I feel sorry for is is Kathy Wood's investors. Oh my days. Honestly, if I had money in Kathy Wood's firm, I would not believe in that lady one bit. I would not believe in her one bit. Um, I understand the five the you know the 5 to 10 year outlook, but I don't think. Can you believe? Can you imagine being an investor in that firm and you have millions of dollars, and then she buys millions of dollars worth of Tesla, and then the damn thing is just crashing? Oof! No, we would fight. Nope. Happy Friday, Lori. Remember when she sold coin at $60 and then boom skis 100, 150, 200? Sheesh. Fight. Unbelievable. Lynn, good morning. It's right about 24 hours. Yeah, for 24 hours, then she buys the dip skis and then it pumps and then it goes to the abyss. She is right for 24 hours because it creates a little bit of hype, and then to the abyss. Anyways. Oh my days. Buys all the Tesla dipskis and then straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Anyways, Joe, how's your short position? It should be looking good. Are you gonna close that position into the open? You're just gonna hold it. Dipskis. Uh, when the killed it, she should have retired then. Yeah, I don't know though. Like I think she crushed it in a good market, just like everybody else did, right? So yeah, they sold coin. Yeah, how can 1.3 billion dollars? And I don't get that, Josh. Yep, makes no sense. 0 cents. You got out 15 minutes ago. What? Oh, you wanted it to pump and then okay, sounds good. I see. Okay. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Okay, MRDB. Interesting. MRDB. Choo, 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 choo. MRDB. Bitcoin. Ooh. Ooh, look, dang it. Dang it, Joe. Look at the size of these candles. Dang it. This would have been good monies, Joe. Monies. Good monies. Would have been good monies. Dang, it's dipping. Something, what's happening? Anyways, Bitcoin is also dipping there. Good morning, Dan. Uh, the whipsaw, yes. At the right wick. Yep. 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 Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Meh. Meh. Okay. Markets open in 4 minutes. Trump media alerts Nasdaq to potential market manipulation from naked short selling. Okay. Are you kidding? Trump media alerts Nasdaq to potential market manipulation. Okay, what are they supposed to do? These guys are like, but the naked shorting on stock. That's what happens when you run for office, right? So and you have a stock on the market. You know they're haters. Good morning, Veronica. Happy Friday. Good morning. GLD options. I bet you those things are gapping up nicely, Pavan. Yeah, it would have been nice to look at those things a few days ago, though. But yeah, maybe into the weekend. Maybe not a terrible idea actually. Yeah, maybe. Ahmed, good morning. Ayo. Keep dipping into the open, please. Keep deeping. Keep deeping. Uh, let's see. Good morning. You are real monies or paper trade. Either way, really good, right? So, because I know you're playing with both of those. Actually, no. Let's do this first. One second. Let's go, Ahmed. Come on. Well done. Well done. I'm glad you. I'm glad the pre-market stuff is working out really well already. So well done. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. It's gonna pop. Yeah, it's already wanting to pop here, isn't it? 2 minutes to go, and we're getting some fat green candles. So it's already wanting to cause violence. Yep. Yep. It's already wanting to cause violence, Joe. Violence. I can smell it. Okay, let me. Mm, choo, 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 doo, doo, doo. Okay. Already wanting to cause violence. Let's go, it's Mike. Okay. Two. Good morning, Bernie. It was crazy. Yeah, I looked and I was like, wait, what the hell is going on? How can there's so much violence? Yup, yup. No. Open the markets, and we are open. We are open. So SPY is opening with a fat violent candle, but let's see what happens here. See what happens. AGBA looks really good at the open, so congratulations if you're holding this. Joe, wow, okay, interesting. Have been moving all nights. By the time we get it's like a cheap giving you the Marco. That's why we say join us in Discords, right? You can catch these names early on before they become I don't know, So it's wanting to bounce. Come on, Spy. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Good morning, Chef Man. What are you gonna do? Ooh, that's a pretty nice dip, actually. It's a pretty nice dip ski. Let me take a look at some dip skis here. Okay. Meaning. Okay, see. One second. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Choose. And then choo. Choo. I just needed to open. Three. And then we should be good to go. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, no, these scams at the open were coming. Scams at the open, Joe. We haven't even broken above 500 yet, so anything below that, clearly still weak. AGBA 160, especially at the open. Don't go diamond handing that thing, right? So that should be fairly straightforward. CLSK is dipping at the open after having a nice rebound overnight. And then MNDR. What a beautiful stock. My goodness. My goodness. We just keep going and going and going and going and going. From $4, $5, that thing just hasn't given up. Like, that's impressive. CGC is headed for the highs of the day. Okay. So Cannabis stocks are also doing really well this morning, it seems. This one isn't really doing anything, but that shouldn't be a surprise. CGC CGC, oof, back to $8. This was the same level we tested yesterday, though. Be careful. $8.20 was the high from yesterday, so don't get overly excited unless it breaks and stays above that level. Please and thank you. Oh my days. Yep. I mean, look at this thing on like an hourly time frame here, right? So, look at the beauty of this run, right? So, from that IPO price, consolidate it for a little bit. This is why it's really important to keep track of like the IPO high, right? Really important to keep track of this level, right? When a stock IPOs and hits a high, keep track of that level because if it breaks above that level, there's a really good chance it could go for a run, right? And clearly this one has. So, yup. So congratulations if you're in this thing. Congratulations. 50. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Cool. You're in at 138 right now. Okay, that's a good entry, right? So you're nice and green on that position. Again, as you can see, the only issue with this is we have these supply zones there, but your entry is nice. I would maybe consider putting a stop loss closer to your entry, just so you're not having to to deal with like taking losses, um, right? So the low of the day so far is $1.32, right? So you want it to stay above that level. If it goes below that level, you have a problem. So 132 should be your main watch, or just staying above $1.30. It looks okay here, like it's trying to bounce, uh, but clearly we have a lot of resistance, right? So yeah, it was a really nice double top, wasn't it? So you're hoping that we can go stay above the 50 and then go back up. I've been buying IBIT on heavy dips, but not dipping much anymore. You may get back into CLSK. Dang. You might have missed it. And so Bitcoin and SPY went up and right back to the bottoms. So, like Joe said, clearly the trend is down. So, there goes more dipskis, right? So, get those divvies. Yeah, you might have missed the bottom for CLSK here. I'll take a look at IBITS as well. CLSK had this beautiful, again. The last time Josh was on, we were talking about what's actually almost perfect here is the retest of that breakout, right? So like this resistance and then the retest, right? So anything closer to 15 is really nice if we can dip back down there. But yeah, at 17, it's not even breaking above the high from yesterday, so I would kind of just watch it for now, right? So yesterday we pushed all the way to 17.15, and today we've been as high as 16.88. So unless it clears that level, I would stay away and wait for a dip ski. Yeah, was the spot? Yeah. It's been 7 minutes. Virus wants the market to pop. Virus? Anyways, so for IBIT though, IBITs, yeah, IBIT is like, you know what? That's all the dipskis you get. Yeah, $35. That was the $35. That was the IBIT dipskis. IBIT looks better today than it's hitting a new high compared to CLSK. $37, 37.10 at the highs. Hmm. Yeah, I for now I would keep doing what you're doing unless you want to do BTIO like Josh mentioned for the dividend, um, right? So I would keep doing what you're doing, and then if CLSK for some reason goes back to the abyss, and then you can consider switching. Yeah. Okay, moving on. So TWG, this was an IPO from earlier this week, right? So I mean, it helps that like MNDR is pumping because I bet you this thing does well um, as long as the other IPO keeps going up, right? So let me just see here what's happening. Okay, daily doesn't look overly impressive, but it's forming some higher lows. It looks okay. You just have a pre-market double top here at $2.50, which is exactly what it's failed at. Roy, yeah. It's failed at $2.50. So be careful. La la la. Looks like it might want to go HUSA. HUSA. I think I agree with Justin in terms of like setting those alerts, right? So it's sitting in a supply zone. Let me pull up the daily really quickly. Load. Okay, so there's nothing we're missing on the daily. So if I wanted to play this thing, if you think it's gonna go, it's gonna need to break out first, right? So we really haven't done anything from like pre-market. So now that makes me think that it's gonna go boom skis. But I can see exactly why you're saying that. So I would wait for that thing to at least get back above $1.80 and stop curling up towards $1.85, and then make your decision, Captain. So I would wait for that. Alrighty. No mercy. Screw you guys. I'm taking my ball and I'm going home. So yeah, Captain, if it can consolidate above $1.80 and start pushing towards like $1.85 and $1.90, then okay, not bad. Yeah, yeah, Jerry, that thing is done really well. Yeah, there goes HUSA. Dang, HUSA is like, are you guys talking about me? So technically, that's a double top at $1.85. So again, clear this level, consolidate, and then start pushing. So wow, I bet you Jeff is pumping this. Okay. Yeah, the bid keeps fluctuating between 183 and 179. So there's a bit of a, yeah, $2 especially, Jeff. So it looks like AGB is still consolidating, right? It's still holding that 140, 132, which isn't too bad, but there's a lot of resistance here. So at some point, this thing is going to make a decision in either pump or crash, right? Because the range is getting really tight. Yeah, oil stocks, which we talked about last night. Again, MNDR has done really, 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 really well. Really, really, really well. CGC from green to red. INDO. Indo. 18%, not bad at all. $4.90, $5 resistance. $5. $5. No. Okay, so three. Uh, do, do, do. Okay, let's see. Cool. Not really doing much. Yeah. Yeah, this one looks like trash. See, that trend continues, guys. That trend continues, doesn't it? right? The top gainer, well, maybe not the, was it? Yeah, right. So the top gainer going into the open has been trash every single day this week. ZCMD, absolute rubbish at the open, right? Absolute rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Oil goes up, INDO goes up. AGBA is wanting to break out. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Who got into that position again at $1.38? Who did? Please make sure your stop loss is not in the abyss. At least make sure your stop loss is somewhere in the green now. If it hits, it hits. All right. So that thing needs to break out like now, 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 now. So 155, 157, 158. We're approaching 160, which is a triple top now. Your stop loss should really, 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 really be in the green. And if it's not, send me your computer passwords because I need to change it. Anyways, yeah, it looks good. Again, it's just that triple top, right? At $1.60, that's a problem. $1.60, $1.60. MNDR, just a gem, Rich. Slow and steady gem. Indo looking nice. HUSA still kind of consolidating there. There goes $24. Ooh, 24 broken. Damn. Dang, dang, dang. Dang, dang, dang. I for sure, Lynn. So the low of the day is $1.32. I for sure would not let it go below $1.32 if I was in that same position that you're in. Bag at 119. So you think, yeah. So I for sure would not let it go below that bottom, right? Because that's usually what causes panic, right? People look at this, oh look at that, right? So there you go, another 160, another fail. So it has to stay above 132, and if it doesn't, well, there's a nice demand zone there, and if it goes below the 200, pack your bags because it's over. Oh, I need to mute myself. Uh, Interesting. Uh, 20. EGRX. Yep. Yeah. No. Did you get in, Captain? You got in, right? So, yeah. Energy plays clearly a theme going into the weekend, right? Um, I bet you some of these plays are going to do really well. People might look around and say, these guys seem to have chaos every single night. So what happens when we have a Friday night, Sunday night, Saturday night into Monday? Are they going to attack more? And then so I bet you these names are going to do some things. The only thing I like for now on AGBA is that it's staying above the 50 EMA. Another 300 BTIO, Josh. Whoosh. Telling you, Josh is gonna buy so many dips. We're not gonna have any more dips to buy. No more dipskis to buy. Uh, 127. 126. Yeah, I like how tight that potentially is. And there goes AGBA, guys, right? So again, this is why maybe sometimes when you see a stock gets a resistance like that, you have to move your stop loss up, right? Or take profits, right? You either move your stop loss aggressively higher or you take profits, right? It's a triple top, $1.60, right? So if you were holding a bag, that thing gave you a chance. I mean, it looks like it's holding $1.30 for now, that demand zone. But let's see where these candles close at. See what happens. Let's see. Is opportunity? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. These guys better put on their show and then pump the markets. Yes. AULT session highs. We actually have session highs. Yeah, I guess. Do you think it's worth it for a rally? You got in at 140 last night. Okay. No, 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 not too. Let me take a look. Let's take a look ski here. ZCMD. Oof, that thing looks ugly, doesn't it, Lorenzo? Oof, nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty. Again, do you guys need me to remind you what happens when a stock goes below the white line? I'm gonna ask you guys this question every single day until the ends of time. What happens when a stock goes below the white line, guys? Let me know in the chat. What happens? What happens when your stock is going below the white line? Help me out, please. What happens? For the for the 43rd time, uh, you go broke. What happens? Right? The reason I ask this is not because it helps me out, but because it ingrains you. You get to notice it more and more and more and more and more and more and more. Right? Trading is about just being repetitive, repetitive, repetitive. Right? I say the same things every single day, but it takes us a million times to learn, doesn't it? So, just for yeah, eyebrows get stolen, right? So it overdoses. Right? So every single day we mention it. When your stock goes below the 200 EMA, you have a huge problem, right? And that's the exact same thing that's happened with the stock, right? Below the white line, especially into the open, right? That's a huge problem because now it's sold off, right? So Lorenzo says, never mind. uh, if you're gonna play with this thing, Lorenzo, if you're going to touch this thing, please wait till it consolidates and gets back above the 9 EMA at the very least. Like if it gets back above the blue line, then come back and pay attention, right? Consolidation and then curl and then maybe. The only reason I say maybe is because like it really hasn't had a bounce this morning. It's just been dipping. So if they can consolidate and then reclaim the 9 EMA, maybe wait for the retest of the 9 EMA, then maybe a bounce, right? But these are just trash names without catalyst. China names, no catalyst, pump and dump, right? This stock was all the way up there, right? $3. Now it's at $2. So again, it needs to reclaim the 9, consolidate, and then maybe. Yeah. Exactly, Rusty. Let me take a look at Wisa. Wisa. Look at that. Wisa is going for a bit of a bounce. Wisa is actually interesting, isn't it? Hmm. Interesting. 560 all the way to $7. That's not too bad. Not bad at all. This is why we always have to pay attention to these names when they go from red to green. Every time a stock goes from red to green, pay attention, right? Especially after an offering or especially after bad news. So yeah, it would have been a nice catch. Also, this what does that look like? That looks like a breakout, doesn't it? Right at $6, you have a double top and a pivot breakout right there. Breakout, close above, send it. This is why we love breakouts, right? Breakouts are fun. That was a really good breakout, actually. Really good breakout. Uh, Burn premiums, yeah, yeah. Virus, I think they somehow find a way to burn premiums, whether that's like going sideways or burning the shorts. Um, MNDR still looks good. AGBA is still sitting there looking weak. It actually broke below $1.30. So, like I said earlier, if whoever bought this stock at $1.38, if it's sitting at $1.60, don't hold that thing and be like, but it's gonna go to $1.70, right? It has to go up, right? No. If you bought it at $1.38 and it's at $1.60, please move your stop loss higher. Don't go red because now you're sitting at $1.28 and you're like, okay, I just went from green to red. What do I do? It's at 126 now. What do I do? What do I do? Don't go red, right? Because when they show you weakness, you leave. Yeah, there you go, OPEX, right? So monthly scams, monthly scams. Dan. So we should call it 98.50. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. There you go. That thing just has a lot of resistance in that supply zone, and clearly it's stalling there between 730 and 750. Justin, so a bit of stalling, a little bit of stalling. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. EGOX still hitting highs of the day. Wow. DJT. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay. Sounds good. Interesting. In the wait, which one? In the futures channel? Yeah, DJT. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that one. Uh, yeah, HUSA. Yeah, HUSA looks nice. Captain, that was a really nice call out, right? Finally cleared this level and then volume came in. Yeah, yeah. Like $2 will always be a problem. The closer you get to $2, the closer you get to $2, the more issues you have. The more issues you have, you know. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Stay above the 9 EMA. Stay above Z9. MNDR just looks like it's not done yet, does it, Rich? Just looks like it's not done skis yet. I'm telling you, you just buy Tesla puts. Just buy Tesla puts, and go lay on the couch. Come back in 2 days. I don't know why you'd be laying on the couch for 2 days, but come back in a few days, and at the very least, you have a few million. You can even buy one short share of Tesla. One put, 50 cents, 10 cents. One put, $50 puts. Strike, 2 days. Come back, big monies. Just one. One Tesla put. It might be 10 cents, 50 cents, it doesn't matter. Come back in 2 days, boomskis, Tesla new lows. Elon has announced something else that's stupid, and the stock is at zero. Oh my days. Anyways. I'm just kidding, by the way. So Visa hitting new highs of the day? It's hitting new highs of the day. Visa. So $7.50 if it can break and close above. Finally, you see the truth. It doesn't mean I'm not gonna. It doesn't mean I'm not gonna own Tesla though. It doesn't mean I'm not gonna or want to keep buying the Divskis. Um, oh my goodness, who did Elon piss off? He really pissed off somebody. My goodness. Anyways, let me start talking about a stock that we actually like, not trash. Anyways. What's your turn with Jax? She's right. You know what? I'm not talking to Jax. Not talking. Anyways, Tesla hater. Anyways, and yeah, as usual, that was the expectation, right? So that crime had to happen. La 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 la. Z crime, I think. Ready. La 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 la. Okay. There goes $24. $24. Nah, nah. I'm not talking. Not talking. Anyways. That last high was what, 24.50? Yeah. Rich, what's your entry in this thing? I feel like your entry is $2. It's $9, isn't it? And you're still holding it? La, 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 yeah, the markets are kind of bouncing a little bit there, Joe. Kind of bouncing, but meh, it's still trying. Yeah. So today's OPEX, like Dan mentioned, right? Today is the day. Today is the day for these guys to play games. So you can get back into those puts. Okay. Yeah, just be careful today. I don't want to be the guy, but AMC, TK, you are the guy then if you're saying that. AMC. What's AMC doing? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Sheesh. Look at this, Pablo. Oh, wow. Is Josh buying the dip skis in this or what's going on? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You know what's interesting is we keep talking about the white line, the white line, the white line, the white line, the white line. What's AMC what's AMC doing, guys? AMC struggled at the white line, right? It's like, are you gonna pass? Are you gonna pass? Are you gonna pass? Yes, I'm gonna pass, and then boom skis. So yeah, not that this means anything, honestly. Oh dang, AMC, sheesh. My, you stole my heart. 9%, 10% now, Dan. Look at this, it's squeezing. But don't get too excited. You want to see what the daily chart looks like? Let me just show you. If you're getting overly excited, AMC's been bouncing for a few days now. But let me really look at this. Okay, what's AMC at? All time damn lows. So don't get overly excited because even TradingView is like, yeah, we don't have any more of this trash to show you. They're like, yep, that's it. Oh, there he goes. But that damn thing is coming off. That thing is still like, it's, look at that. Like, what is this? It's like an itsy bitsy like little bounce off the bottom. Yep, Twitter is probably going crazy. So don't get overly excited. We just went from 10% to 6%. Damn. I bet you. I bet you. I wanna look. I bet you. I bet you the people of the AMC community are getting excited. Bullish, bullish. Look at this. What happened to the oof? Oh my goodness. First thing I see is flames. Oh my goodness. Why are there so many ads? Look at that. Rockets, guys. Oof. Sheesh. You would think AMC was up 500%, but it's up 6%. Oh, damn, look at this. Big news. Time to fly. Look at this. $5. Give it at least. Everybody's bullish. Can we start to see a sudden spike to $12? The damn thing is at $3. Where does $12 come in? First step, $4. Easy, easy, easy. Oh my goodness. Everybody's bullish, guys. Look at this. The Mohas has arrived. Ah, oh my goodness. Offering done. We are flying. How the hell is the stock gonna go up 6%? And you're like, we're flying. What do you mean we're flying? Flying to where? Oh my days. Look at this. Oh my goodness, Rob.
I had to get on because you were just.
Oh my goodness. These people are amazing. Have you
You
seen that
gotta.
chart? I'll see if
Let
I
me
can
tell you
find it.
something, Blake.
You
You
know
gotta
that chart,
understand.
Rob, where like something crashes for days and then it goes up a little bit and then people are like, let's go. This is the squeeze. You've seen that one?
Do you hear me, Blaze?
Yeah, like there's like a chart, where like a stock is crashing for like months and months and months, and then it bounces a little bit, and everybody goes crazy. Have you seen that one? Oh my goodness, this dude is like,
I'm
I'm not
just.
an
I'm
ape, but
just
this
thinking
is looking
about. I'm just.
interesting.
I have a
You're
delay.
thinking about it. Yeah, you were delayed. Yeah, I think we're way delayed.
I'm sorry.
I know, annoying, right?
No, I was just saying that. I think it's funny because the AMC army is big, Blaze. You're gonna get smacked in the street when they see you and they find out that you. They're gonna jump you.
Yo,
You're gonna get jumped, bro.
yo. Oh my goodness. Sheesh.
Oh, I had to get on for that. I was just dying. You're like, oh, look.
Isn't that crazy though? Like, my
They're getting more
goodness.
people to buy it now, and then they're just gonna get smacked again.
Yep. Yep. 6%, Rob. My goodness.
Hey, something is something. Was there news anyway? Why is it pumping like that?
Yeah, I don't know. That dude said big, big news. So I don't know if there's actually any news.
A new popcorn
Uh,
flavor?
probably. Uh, so these guys, Wedbush, AMC price target lowered by Wedbush. Um, so AMC target reduced from $6 to $4. Then they're like, let's go. At least it's higher than what it's at. At least it's higher than $1. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. That's crazy. You know that analyst that gave AMC a $1 price target like a few months, like months and months ago, and the stock was at like $12, $10, like in the teens at the time. And everybody was like, "Are you kidding me? Are you crazy? AMC $1." AMC eventually went to $1. Very sad.
I still
Anyways,
think what they did to me was like a
yeah,
crime.
yeah, it was. AMC is the biggest scam of all time. Exactly, Mustafa. So yeah, MNDR is still looking really good, really really good. So $25 at the highest now.
I'm out, Blaze. I just wanted to mess with that.
Okay, sounds good, Rob. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Give us actually before you go, give us your quick analysis on the markets, and then
Oh, well, I've been watching. Obviously, I've been watching the S&P and the S&P on the daily yesterday. I anchor a VWAP to the beginning of the year,
mhm,
and the daily candle was crossing that VWAP, and I said if it closes below, which was the end of the day,
mhm.
and we get a new candle below it, I think we're going to continue down.
Okay.
And that's what it did. And then, well, with the news, the thing is that the news is really affecting the market. Like,
Yeah.
so, I mean, we're in the important thing to understand is that we're in a bull market, and in a bull market, you could sell like some rallies, but then eventually, like if it sells off, the bulls are gonna bring it back up. They're in control. You know what I mean, in a way. So that's why you keep seeing a sell off, and then it gets bought up. Like you get that V-shaped type of thing,
Mhm,
but it's still continuing to create lower lows. So
mhm,
I don't know. I'm iffy about the market, but I'm more iffy just because of the news. Anything can happen, right? So
mhm. Exactly.
the news affects it. It'll sell off. Algos start turning on. They sell off, and then when they find out it was just stupidity, it'll
Mhm,
just it'll just get bought back up again. You know what I mean? So what
mhm,
you can do with that is take advantage of those sell offs, and then find out, and then wait for that. Keep your finger on the trigger to go long when you realize that it was just you know, it was just just hype. You know what I mean? Like yesterday.
mhm.
So I guess that's what I would say. But we've been on a continuous downtrend on the daily candles and on the 4 hour candle for
Yeah.
you know.
Exactly.
So we're and I mean, but we hit an area of liquidity, like right. We hit an area of liquidity around. Well, I gotta put the SPY. I'll tell you now real quick.
Oh my God, Rob, you won't believe this.
But
AMC is at 3%.
they keep doing it.
Congratulations, you've been scammed again. Damn.
So there's an area of liquidity at 49, 495, 494. That is an area where we might see a bounce. But honestly, the market looks like it kind of like created it reversed a bit. You know what I mean? But that
Mhm,
uptrend is so strong. So we'll see.
mhm.
But I think 490 we could still go a little further down. But then 495 to me is the line in the sand.
Okay.
Like it might be there, where we might find. I mean, but we'll see what happens today. But um we've been getting a lower low, every day. So we'll see.
Yep.
The minute we get that candle that opens up, higher than the previous low, then we're gonna probably start, moving back up.
Mhm. Agreed. Yeah, there's a nice demand zone at that 495 too.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. I think that's an area 494ish to 495 will be an area
Yeah.
where there's balance in the market. It could balance out and then keep going higher. I mean, that might be the lower the higher low, in the longer time frame to then go to make a higher high. You know what I mean? On a
Hmm. Hmm.
weekly candle or something like that.
Hmm.
So, but I keep saying that the Fed is cutting maybe later on. So since they're cutting later, most likely the market still has room to go higher. But
Hmm.
it's been historically speaking, every time there's a cut, the market crashes once there's a cut, right? So
Yeah.
I'm thinking that they're just going to keep front running that cut. They have more time to take the market higher. The only reason the market is retracing is because of the geopolitical, aspect of things, and because of inflation a bit, but
Hmm.
I think it would be going higher if you ask me.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
anyways,
If they're cutting like at some point in September, that aligns with like going into elections, which is
right.
perfectly like what they want for
Hmm.
rallies.
Yep. They say they're not political, but they're doing it.
Yup. 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 Yup.
Yeah. So we might find chop now. We might find chop in this area. If you ask
Yeah.
me, we
Yeah.
might find chop. We might get up and down for a bit. Around 500, 502, we might start finding chop here.
Yeah. You
So we
sent
got to
this
find
chart.
those ranges and trade those. Say that again.
You sent this chart, right? So this into election chart, just the chart
Look at that.
movement.
Yeah. I wish
Yeah.
I can show you my long term chart so you can see what I mean. Oh,
Mhm.
I could, right? Can I?
Yeah. Yes. 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 AMC's below is about to go below $3, guys. Sorry. 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 The MOAS is not coming.
How do I share this? Again?
Yeah. Just present at the bottom and then share the screen.
Present. Oh.
Looks like it's a trap. Oh my goodness. It's a trap. Anyways. Yeah. Do, 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 do.
So if we see here,
Mhm.
in the volume profile, there's a lot of volume up here, but it's selling around 515. But if you look, the overall trend was going higher, right? But if you see right here where this red line is, around 494, you see how the market went up and then went down and then went up and then went down right here.
Mhm.
See what I'm saying, my mouse?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So now the market's going right back there again. So if you think about it, this is an area, right? Let me do this like that. We're inside this range here, and I'm thinking that we might just come down here and then range and chop in here for a bit, like you said, kind of like you
Mhm.
mentioned. We might chop in here, and it makes sense because this is where there's a bit of balance here. You see, every it kept like kind of like just dipping and then going higher, dipping and going higher. But in this right here, the market went up, up, then down, then up, then down, and then it gapped up here. See what I'm saying? So I'm
Mhm.
thinking that in this area, we're in an area where the market might find they feel comfortable, right? When they say they're pricing in things, this is
Mhm.
where the market might feel comfortable, and it
Mhm.
might it might just chop here for a bit. That's what
Yeah.
I'm thinking
Yeah.
based
Yeah.
on the past. If you see here, this is where we
Yeah.
found mostly.
Yeah.
It went all the
Okay.
way up to 490, 502 around, and then it crashed right back down to 493, 494, went right back up there again, right back down, and then ripped up. So we
Mhm.
might do something similar. We might come down, then come up, retest that. If it breaks it, great. If it doesn't, we're coming right back down. So
Mhm.
to me, I'm gonna be probably just you know in a downtrend, on a longer time frame downtrend. I'm just gonna be shorting the market, like in futures, and then
Yep.
when there's a bit of response, I'll probably go be going long. So
Mhm.
make sense there?
Yeah, it does. That was a nice break of the corridor and the at the very
Yep.
top. Yeah.
On the daily, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, that thing is. I mean, if you just trade that, if you were to trade that, that would be crazy. Like, imagine
Yeah.
trading this and just
Yeah.
believing in this and holding on, like taking it up here, and then look at that.
Yeah. That was a really nice short.
Same thing on the 15 and on the 30 minute. But those are longer time frames. So I put that gray area here, and
Mhm.
that to me is the area where we're gonna find balance in the market right now.
Mhm.
If it breaks below, we're going down. If it stays in between here, then we're gonna chop till maybe till the cuts.
Yeah. Exactly. Okay.
Or
That
something worse happens. There's a black swan event or something like that. We can't put. But it's always gonna go back into, like we said, it's always gonna go back into technicals right after
yeah.
the
After the
news.
initial reaction.
So there goes my analysis. But this is what I follow usually on the longer time frame. I follow this.
Okay.
My bigger time frame chart.
Okay. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
And
you.
that's what kind of makes me realize. What was that?
Oh no, 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 no! I just said thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Long term, long term. NVFY, yeah, 345, 350. For a breakout.
I'm out of here.
If
All right,
yeah,
take care.
already, Rob. Okay, see you
Bye,
later.
everybody.
John is asking if you're joining for a BTC stream later. Oh, you might be
Oh,
busy.
what time is that?
Uh, well, it's
10
10 hours.
hours?
So an hour before that.
Yeah, like
At
at 9, 7. Yeah, I could probably do it.
Yeah, a little
Like,
bit earlier than we wanted to do it, Josh. But yeah,
yeah, it's in the evening. Yeah, it's gonna be
yeah,
early. For you, it's even earlier, right? For you, it's like.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
All right, guys. Love you guys too, man. Take care.
Okay.
We'll see each other tonight then. All right.
Don't FOMO AMC, Rob, please.
That was funny.
Alrighty. Alrighty. Yeah, Wisa is breaking that 750. The candle hasn't closed obviously, but it looks good. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, too bad Rob was slacking last time and he couldn't come to Vegas. Kidding, Rob. Kidding. Kidding, kidding. 765. Hmm. Yeah, it looks like we actually got a candle to close above the 50. Z50. Enable stream modes, yes. There you go, 770. Oof, nice. 780. 780. TGIF. TGIF. Yeah, trying to the next level. There you go. So Justin's been updating these charts in Discords for Wisa. 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 Not a bad little push above 750 though. Not enough, but not the worst. Anyways, yeah, so 350 NVFY resistance and right back down for the retest. So watch for $3 for the retest. Alrighty. Zach Morris's, that's his play. Oh lordy. Okay. Twitter. Let's take a look. I keep calling it Twitter because that's because uh 2 hours ago. Yeah, just dropped news. Hmm. Yeah, you can see how like he's changing a little bit though, isn't he? In the way that he's posting these names, because they're not gonna be as effective as the first two were. So now he's just like, oh, this one has news. This split name has news, right? So and then that's about it. He's no longer like, oh, I like this name. This thing is gonna squeeze. Yup. Yeah, he's given up. Arm is at 99. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Playing. Mia type in Discord and play. Uh, two. Uh, Choo, 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 choo. Wisa's looking nice. Look at that beautiful breakout, guys. Right? Breakout, close above, send it. Send it. So if you FOMOed into Wisa, congratulations. Yeah, it is getting better. The more candles you have holding above the breakout, the better. Clearly, when we get closer to like $8, it's always a problem, right? But it looks really good. So congratulations if you FOMOed into that thing. Alrighty, congratulations. I know live double FOMOed into that thing. Justin probably FOMOed. You okay? You're bidding. Okay, sounds good. Probably FOMOed. $7.50. Spies going to the abyss. Everything seems like it's crashed. Oof! Oh my goodness, that's nasty. Everything is crashing except for Tesla. Tesla is green for the day. Tesla is drunk on drugs. Oh my goodness, look at that dip skis. La 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 la. 7.99. Well done, Josh. There you go. Well done. Well done. Yeah, range. Yeah. Visa. And the AGBA is weak, right? So again, I'm happy if you sold this thing earlier, anywhere close to $1.60, because look at it now. It's about to go below the 200. So please, when the stock is breaking below support, don't sit there and hold it and hope that it goes back up, because it doesn't happen. Rarely. So unless that thing can find a way to stay above the 200 here, it's gonna die soon. You know. Retrace back to 750, please. Yeah, maybe, maybe. Uh, yeah, we're failing at $8 for now. 750. Well, yeah. Pizza. Pizza was out partying last night. Bachelor's party. He was. Yep. Anyways, who's your prime minister? Our prime minister is. Anyways, 485. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's impressive is like how MNDR goes down and then just slowly comes right back to the highs. Slowly comes back to the highs. Over and over and over. Slowly. PAPL with the pop. Double top. 212. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. You woke up and traded a little bit, Pizza. Did you make money? Did you make money? Hopefully you made monies. 2450. Back to Wisa with the 9 retest. Z9. HUSA still looks really good though, doesn't it? That thing had a crazy dip to 170. Oh my goodness, Captain. Did you sell and get back in, or did it hit your stop loss? Damn, look at that candle. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Don't you just hate when stuff like this happens? That's a beautiful double bottom, though, if you caught it. But damn, scary. You're still in it? Okay. That tells me you didn't have a stop loss. You were watching it, and then it happened too quickly, and then it came back. Can you look at cell X? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let me see what WISA does here. WISA. Actually, I'll come back. Is that a pom pom on my head? It's a pom pom. Yeah, it's a hundreds. It's a hundreds pom pom. Hundreds pom pom. This is when when I cheer for the stocks. Um. So SLL. Yeah. You brother. What about the stock do you like? Richards. E. Oh, I see why you like it. Because it came back down to $1.25 for a double bottom and then bounced all the way back up, but it's still in the same range. This thing doesn't have enough volume to really do anything, Richard, right? So set an alert for the break above the 20. Set an alert. That's what I would do, right? So it would have been nicer if you caught this thing closer to $2 to $1.20, but now meh, right? I would wait for that thing to get back above $1.50 on its own, even $1.60 honestly, and then you play with it. And then you play with it. Wisa, come on, Wisa, come on, Wisa. Anyways, Para, yeah, Para had news last night, right? Yeah, Paramount. Paramount, 11% for the day, new highs of the day. Yeah, these guys had news last night. And then the stock went boom skis, 12.55 and then came back down. So, not a bad little climb. SELX, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. There we go. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and time for some hard work. Justin. Consolidate over the view app. Okay. Yeah, Paramount just had a fat red candle. EGOX. Yeah, I mean, I see what you're looking at. Consolidating at 620. Yeah. Yep. Not bad. Not bad. It's 80% rally. Anyways, Justin, this is maybe a retest of that 750 level you were looking for. 750 to 745. Because I think we're using 750 as a psychological level, but it might be a little bit lower. So let's see if they can retest. Tesla, not bad. What's Tesla at? Tesla's about 50. Yeah, about 50. When did this news come out? April 19. Breaking news. Tesla recalls over 3,800 Cybertrucks over unintended acceleration risk. Oh, lordy, Tesla. But it came out this morning, though, so I bet you that's why we had a bit of a gap down. But yeah. Yeah, people seem to be complaining about the Cybertrucks. It seems like it seems like they're mostly trash. Mostly trash. Cybertruck. Is this a new IPO today? Huh, interesting. The volume is super low, but it seems like it's a brand new IPO. Yeah, it's halted up. I can't stop my Cybertruck. It's going too fast. It's going too fast. Yeah, it's halted there. Mm. With the Cyber Beast. Yeah, I think it's one of those things that's like very unnecessary. Like what's the point of the Cybertruck? Seems like Tesla might get more bad news than they get before they get good news. And it's cool. Yeah, it really is just a gimmick. Yeah, it seems like one of those things that when you look at Elon's plan, he kind of went a different direction for a bit because that was not part of the plan. He should have focused on making just focused on like autonomy instead of spending time on a Cybertruck. I'm sure they've made their money back, but who knows? Who knows? Is an easy fix. La la la. Pedal sites to get stuck under the carpet. Yeah, exactly. It's just a recall. Just a recall. Visa holding for now. EG or X is looking for a double bottom. And then JR, what's your position in AULT? What's your position? This thing looks a little bit suspicious, and it's below the 200. So you might find a bit of support at 29 cents. But if it goes below 29 cents, please be very careful. Alrighty, it doesn't look good. But if it stays above this previous bottom, just stay above this range, you might have a chance. So watch 29 cents. Yeah, software downloaded, and you don't even need to take it anywhere, right? So they just do it on their own. So I'm sure they announced that stuff so just so they can say, yeah, we knew that there was an issue and we fixed it. NVFY is pumping back to the highs here. Yeah, done while you sleep, exactly. Yup, yup, yup. Yup, yup, yup. That's nice when it's a software recall. Easy fix. Easy fix. Tesla's back below 150. Surprise! You can download a carpet fix. uh, um, so $3.50 broken here for NVFY. Nas, are you still in this one? They tried to give up with then when needed. Interesting. NVFY. Yeah. The Tesla gates with free label on it. Take the keys, it's yours. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, they need to make the Cybertruck like a limited supply thing, and then maybe they're gonna do well. You know, stop producing those damn things, and moral of the story: people are dumb. Yep. Stop making those damn things. And, yep. Moral of the story. La, 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 la. Yeah, I don't see any news. It just seems like it's a momentum play, Wes. Zero news. Zero. Yeah, it looks like we're staying above. Actually, we broke below 30 cents on AULT JR, and it's trying to bounce. Visa still dipping, but it's retesting the 50. So adjusted, maybe a bounce up the 50. This stock is a monster. Look at this damn thing, guys. It goes down and it comes right back up. $25 again. It seems like a double top now, but yeah, MNDR. Just go for $30 already. Just squeeze it. Squeeze it. Isn't that interesting? We liked this one at in the beginning because it was a network one IPO and all these IPOs have done well. But we were a little bit skeptical because of what the company actually does, right? It's like mobile health. What the hell is mobile health? And you know, yeah. Let's go, Jacqueline. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Make monies, please. What do you know about trucks? Well, I know the Cybertruck is a gimmick though. So, anyways, yeah. So $25 doubles up and then back down. Right back down. Yeah, just be careful today. Right, typical. Friday you have a lot of pump and dumps. People get ready to go away for the weekend. AULT is actually back to 31 now, JR. So again, I'm not sure if you're in a position, but as long as that thing stays about 30 cents, you at least have a chance of going back up to retest the 200 and then go from there. Chevy, Silverado EV. Mhm. Mhm. No, 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 no. Funny enough, though, I think the only EV I would ever drive, but that's because I live in the city, though, right? So is a Tesla EV. Nothing else. Nothing else. And not really. Not. I don't really care for EVs, but you know. Anyways. Uh, yeah. Over the cannot be done over the web, exactly, Josh. So that's why we were a little bit skeptical, but the stock has done really well. $4 to $25. Eventually, this thing will be down 80% one of these days. Yeah, the Model Y TK. Yeah, I just got my first EV Monday. What did you get? What did you get at TK? M. Hi. It also looks like a which you like. Okay, yeah. Volkswagen e-Golf. It's amazing in the city. Yeah. It's drinking time. I mean, eating time. Pizza, you guys are going out again to eat and drink. Didn't you just come back from eating and drinking? But then again, you guys are there for a bachelor's party. So, yep, yep. Yeah, Wisa. Yeah, I hate when these things go back below those. I hate when they go back below like the breakout prices. So that's what I mean. Like if we're gonna retest, we just have to retest 745, 750, get back above the blue line, and then pump it again. If not, right. Also, just the way that we get to these levels, like when we're getting to support and it's fat red candles, honestly, it might be best to stay away. For now, though, hopefully we stay above the VWAP and then go back above the 9 and send it. Even though good news, Nas, yeah, news is whatever. Uh, yeah. Uh, I choose life. I choose life. TWG trending up. Okay. Yeah. Visa is for sure in that demand zone in this area. So let's see what happens. No signs of wanting to curl yet, but hopefully above 710 to $7. Hopefully. NVFY broke out new highs of the day, $3.70. Really nice run. Nice little FOMO scalps. Nice little FOMO scalps. It's halted up again. Oh my goodness, yeah, look at that IPO. Oh wow. Dang. Yeah, so we've This one, so the last time it got halted was at $9 and 20 something cents, right? So you FOMO'd? Okay. Wow. Interesting. Wow, wow, wow. Was that on the IPO list from the weekend? It was not. Okay. It was not. Yeah. Yep. 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 Very interesting. Anyways, let's see. Unless it's sitting above $2, Lorenzo. Unless it's sitting above $2. If not, then it's whatever. Unless. Let's go. Yeah, today is a bit of an interesting day. A bit of an interesting day. Yeah, I'm excited to see what Bitcoin does later, though. What BTC does later with the split. What do you guys think happens? Pump or crash, or sideways? What do you guys think happens here? BTC. What do you guys think? Yeah, premiums up, down, up, down. Yeah, I crash. You think so? Yeah, I think we said this. We said this yesterday. Is I think the expectation would be you're just a bando. Think about it though, right? So they're gonna use to shake the tree exactly, right? Think about it. Like every time we've gone into an event, every single time, and people have expectations. I bet you like a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to do like nice things. They're like, ooh, every time Bitcoin does a halving, it goes up 100%, it goes up 200%. Uh, but people almost expect, that to happen immediately. So, yeah, I think they're gonna do some scamming, and then the real run comes. The weeks and the months that follow. So it's going to get fully wrecked. Yep, 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 yep. Other coins to drop. If Bitcoin drops, yeah, all these other coins are gonna drop. It's not gonna open at 38. Promise. If you're looking at Webull is never accurate. Robinhood is never accurate. The only thing you should be looking at if you have it is TD. Yeah, the bid is 38. Not gonna happen. If that happens, that'd be crazy. That's never happened. If that thing opens at $38. People are now getting into Peggy as the next micro penny stock sympathy scalp, which is interesting. 30s can be on TD. It's the 37. The ask is 37. What's the bid at though? What's the question? What's the question? Waiting. Okay, historic opportunity coming. Yeah. So, it's one of those things like you can dollar cost average. So if Bitcoin decides to run post halving, you're like, yep, I'm making monies. But if you go in with the expectation that it's going to pump, and you go all in, that's how they scam you. It's on Halter, by the way. It's at $10, right? That never happens, ever. Yeah, and it's halted down. So it never happens like that. When the bid is outrageously far away from the current price, it's not going to happen. Anyways, moving on. NVFY. You bought some 530s spy calls for September. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yep. When she used to be fun, Wes. Yep. Well, she might be fun again. Um, might be fun again. Yeah, Dan, I think that's a really, yeah. You have a lot of time, and you're buying those things after a really nice dip ski. So, I think that's a solid, very solid. Uh, okay. 11. Yep. Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, 750. Yeah, see, that's a problem, isn't it? Because now it's gone up twice to 750, and it's actually acted as resistance, and it does look like a bit of a head and shoulder, doesn't it? Not the best. Yeah. Uh, Curtis, you mean MNDR 80%? Yeah, that's usually how these things are. Like they're getting momentum from somewhere, and it's like magic, you know. It's like it's not dipping, it's not dipping, it's not dipping, and then one of these days it randomly crashes, and you're like, wait, what happened? Right? For now, it looks really good. MNDR, except to load the bottoms. Yeah, I sold them when we hit all-time highs, and started to pull back. Okay, yeah. 5860. They're going to get liquidated likely. Just saying, yeah. Yep. Usual market maker gains. The usual. Imports. Hmm. So Biden is still on this whole green thing, isn't he? Green, 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 green. Yup. Anyways, Biden. Can suck it. uh, it's like the exactly. It really is, Dan. Because then the once people have that mindset of like the market going down, those options like your calls become very cheap, right? Very cheap because everybody's expecting stuff to go down. Yep. Say it for the people in the back. Yep. Yep. I don't know if there's ever been a leader though. Right? Don't know if there's ever been a leader that people are like, you know what, this is the best leader ever. We love you. You know? So go look at those September calls. I'm just saying, I wasn't referring to the 550s for September though, you know? I just mean like when you have multiple days of selling off, the calls are usually cheaper. Um, oh my days. Yeah, so dad is putting some monies there. Some monies. Indo. Indonesia. Yeah, $495. Same 490 to $5. Same resistance. Not bad though. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Running the la 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 la. Exactly, Josh. I think yeah. Uh, yeah. I do think like I do think every leader is a bit of a puppet. I genuinely think that, or they're just not good people. One of the two. So yep, yep, yep. Um. Anyways, futures. Skull and crossbones. I don't know if we can actually. 490. I don't think we can. Hungarian Prime Minister claimed on Friday that there's a pro war majority in Brussels, and from sending troops to Ukraine, he vowed not to take sides in the. Yep. To the September and so this. I put it in reverse. Back to ODTs. Yep. 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 Yeah, exactly, Curtis. War. 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 La la. Yeah. Oh, it's everywhere, Josh. Everywhere. Everywhere. There goes Indo. Indo. 496. 22%. 22%. There goes 499. Ooh. Ooh. Highs of the day. Ooh. 503. Ooh. Indonesia. Indonesia. Uh, Indonesia. A live double. Good job. Good job. Do, 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 do. 508, 510. Ooh, 25. So yeah, if you've this is the link for any of you that have that if you're a member and you don't have the link to join Discords. If you're a member, don't click on this link if you're not a member, because it's not gonna work. You're gonna end up wasting your time. But if you are a member, this is the Discord invite. So click that link and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. So click the link and then follow the steps. If you're not a member, you're gonna have to become a member on stream first. Yeah, back to $2, Captain. Monies. Uh, Vader. Sounds good. You got in at 31 cents. Okay, what's your stop loss at, Yusuf? I said earlier that I wanted to stay above 29 cents. If it stays above 29 cents, that's fine. If it doesn't, you have a problem. Oh yeah, Indo is absolutely sending it. Oof. Oof, Indo. Nice little push. Nice little push. The daily chart for miners, yeah, Mara looks good, CLSK looks good. Most of these names look good. So Josh is smiling from ear to ear, you know. It's like clean spark. Yeah, we're going back for the highs of the day here. So 1725 resistance. What's Mara doing? Mara should look the same. Marathon. Oof, Mara is at the highs of the day. Uh, hmm. Highs of the day. Yep. Uh, oh, Indonesian for good morning and good afternoon. I see. Okay, cool. So that's how you say. Are you from Indonesia? Okay, okay, sounds good. Okay, Timaya. Okay. Salamat pagi. Ooh, I can. I'm learning a new language now. I'm learning a new language. Potential retest here. Huh. Am I saying that right? Okay, salamat. It's salamat, good, and then malam versus pagi. Malam is afternoon, and then pagi is morning. Sheesh. That thing is getting hot like every 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds, from $9 back to 1069. Of course, it's 1069. Indonesian friends, okay, very cool, very cool. Yep. Well, there it goes. Back to the highs. The more Indonesian we speak, the higher it goes. Time to get rich. Let's go, Koto. Woot woot. Yeah. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Choo, choo. You Yup. Salamat. 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 Go up, Indo. Salamat. Salamat. Do good things. There we go. See? Oh my goodness, guys. It's working. Salamat. Salamat. Yeah, there we go. New green candle. Salamat. Okay. Maybe I'm not. Anyways. Only thing you're playing is Bitcoin today? Okay. Sounds good. Joe? Are you long or short, Joe? Futures. Long or short? La 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 la. Yeah, you got stopped out. Ooh, look at this guy. Salamat, salamat. It's going still. Love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Why is that screen blank? Okay, there we go. Salamat. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go. Salamat, salamat. We are going. Salamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat. It's working. Salamat. 530. Let's go. 495. Okay. Those wars are breaking out in yeah. The damn thing is volatile though, so make sure you secure your profits on the way up. Secure your monies on the way up. Yeah. The last time we pushed, I think we pushed all the way to $6. Not that it's going to $6, um, but yeah, again, this thing should have been on your watch list this morning, right? So we this thing was posted in Discord last night when the war was going on. This was one of the names that we spammed in Discord as energy and oil. And when people fight, the price of energy goes up, oil goes up, and then this stock goes up, right? So clearly, it's pumping. So nice little supply zone there, though. 534. I yeah. You see, okay, you took the profits in your short position, Joe. Okay, so it's time to pump it. Then you're saying, because of the war. Yep, yep. UGI highs of today $26. So it looks like we hit a supply zone and backed off, right? So now watch the 9 EMA. Again, whenever we get to a red zone, you should be careful. Anyways, let's see if we can stay above the 9. FY doesn't look too bad. It just looks like a retest. But it's going to need to clear $3.70 to 3.75 for the next run. And MNDR, just a crazy monster, right? $25 again. All the dips are being bought, all of them. Somebody has to be behind this stock. Somebody's behind this stock. Somebody's behind the damn stock. Is it gonna break out? 24.99, 25. Well, there goes new highs of the day. New highs of the day, and then immediately slapped. Right, so no close yet, still resistance. Right, this is why it's important to wait for the close of the candle. Otherwise, you end up buying a scam breakout, and then you're headed for the bridge. Mara still looks really good, really good. Sheesh. Obviously not like 100%, but it looks really nice. Mirror. Mirror on the wall. No. Let me send this link over. Copy. To Riot. Riot should be following. I haven't looked at Riot. I don't really pay attention to Riot anymore. But it should be following. Riot is actually up more than Mara is. So Riot is up almost 8%. So it does look really nice. Right? People eventually do maybe forget these offerings, right? So Riot is doing well today. What's CLSK? Let me take a look at the other ones. So 6%, and then Wolf. So Riot almost seems to be performing better than the other ones. Yeah, Riot is the top gainer here. Wow. It also crashed more than everything else, though. Keep that in mind, right? These things were all in the 20s, and then these guys got NSAT, right? And now the other ones are still in the teens, while this one is all the way in the abyss. So, yeah. Thing trying to see what's what. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, you're just basically playing the momentum into the halving TK. Right? Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Look. MNDR new highs of the day. $27 at the top. This stock is an absolute monster. I'm telling you, somebody is supporting this. Somebody is sitting back on a computer and supporting this. Isn't it crazy that these market makers are, yeah, like it really is insane what this stock has done. Insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, every dip it has, somebody's buying it. Every single dip. Doesn't matter how big the dip is, somebody buys it right back up. And then it breaks out and just goes boom skis. You don't want to sell it. You're in at $7, TK. Please do at some point. Please do at some point, because this thing will get slapped. Right. Let me pull up the website here. I just want to see what's what. Look at that thing. Look at it. It's back to $25 potentially just for the retest. Right. Break above 25. Come back to 25. So the website. See what this looks like here. Connecting to you through trusted providers. Doctors 24/7. Uh, I don't know about you, but this website looks sus to me. It looks sus to me. Stuff like this is always a little bit suspicious, you know? Hmm. Yep. Yep. I mean, Fitbits, they do have a lot of like, right? So they do have a lot of like, partners. But, hmm. anyways, for now, the stock looks nice. Looks nice. Back to Salamat. Salamat. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go. Double tops, 534. Eventually. Eventually. Na. Yeah, double tops. Yeah, they should. They should. They should scare you unless until we break in close above. They should scare you. So, yep. HUSA. Come on, Indo. Come on. Salamat. There we go. Highs of the day. Salamat. $20 calls for next week. Okay. Yeah, just be careful again with the halving coming up today. Hopefully, we don't get scam dips over the weekend. Hopefully not. Where's Rich? Rich, you're still holding MNDR, right? Still holding. Still holding. There it goes. Come on, 540. And from new highs back down. You've been adding to the position. Wow. Wow. Armin's at 97. Yeah. Okay. Give us the break. 541. Z highs. Let me pull up ARM here. ARM. Yeah, ARM is getting if I can pull up the right stock. Sheesh, ARM. Damn. Z discounts. Yeah, it would have been nice if that thing stayed above 100, because now it just looks a little bit suspicious. Suspicious. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, 5/8. 5/8. We do need to consolidate though. We need to consolidate. It is Pablo, ranked number 41 in Financial Times listing of. Oh wow, really? Okay. Oh, that's really interesting then. Wow. See, that's the type of stuff we should have looked at, but we did it. But wow, that's really interesting. Then, yeah, we knew from the beginning though that we had to pay attention to this thing, if for no other reason, just because it had that connection to all these other pump names. So I think this was the only IPO that we picked out of the list, Pablo, and we were waiting for. So it looks like it was for a good for good reason. Yeah, yeah. No, yeah, no. We didn't look at the financial stuff. Anyways, Indo still looks okay. Was stalling at 545 to 550. Stuff like that is usually a psychological resistance levels already. So, but let's see if we can stay above the 9 EMA at the very least. Stay above 26. 26. Into IPO. This stock will be huge. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Alrighty. So we have a new member. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go. Jimmy's a legend, an absolute legend, Jimmy. Welcome to the community, Jimmy. This is your invite. So click this link, this yellow link at the bottom, and then just follow the steps in the getting started channel. Yeah. Alrighty. So yeah, click the link, follow the steps in the getting started, and that should open up all the other channels in the channel. For medical, the companies in with it are established and trusted companies. Yeah, yeah. I mean, again, if you're gonna hold this thing for as long as it's doing this, you should do the research, right? Like I don't have to do the research for you. If you play with it longer, make sure you do the research, right? So, but we made sure that it was you paid attention to it, right? And then you can do the rest. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, looks like we double topped. This is why we double top scare people. 370 and back to $3. $3. Yeah, Indo is fighting to stay above the 9 EMA. Yeah, exactly. It's been beautiful to trade, right? And it's been spammed in Discord, so it's been spammed, so it's hard to miss that stock. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Beautiful. Ayo, IB. Let's go. How are you? Good to see you. Hello, hello, hello. Hellos, hellos. Have you seen the S&P? Are you holding some puts, IB? You missed it? Yeah. No, it was spammed. It was spammed quite a bit in the IPO channel. Yeah, and every day so far on stream we've talked about MNDR. Every single day we've talked about it. Every single day, and it just keeps creating new highs and new highs and new highs. Indo back to the highs of the day. When I say Indo, it makes me think of food. Because of those puts. Okay. Nice IB. 545. Come on, send it. Send it. 87. 87. Come on, give us 550 here. Give us the breakout. $545, highs of the day, and back down. Aldo into the woods. That's Diddy speaking. 97. Okay, you meant to say 97. Okay, 497. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Yeah, as long as you don't buy like OD, calls that expire in 2 days per van, you should be okay with that. As long as you don't do that, and then you should be okay. Should be okay. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Should be okay. Three. Okay. Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm just saying, So that looks like a double top for now on INDO. Arm is still getting slapped here. My goodness. Imagine if ARM comes all the way down for the retest virus. What if that happens? Those calls are going to be blood red right there, right at $80, right? $80, double top, retest. Eee. It's funny enough, like the uptrend is also sitting right there. Right, that would be your uptrend, bigger time frame wise. But anyways, yeah, that would suck for calls if you're holding them. I promise I'll throw a 5K into calls if it goes to $80. Yep. Just check the. It's a mass sell-off. Visa. Oof, that's ugly. That's not good at all. Yep. That doesn't look good. So now it's retesting its final support, Lorenzo. So this 200, so $6.60. If it's gonna do anything, it has to be now. Right? If it's gonna bounce, this is the last level. That has to be it. So, yep. But you can kind of see how it's been closing below the blue line, right? Consistently. This is why we love the blue line. Right? Yes, it's one thing to hit support. It's another thing for that thing to get back above the blue line. And it's going there and it's just failing. Blue line, fail. And there it goes, new lows. Right? So until that thing finds a way to close above the blue line, meh. Right? So yes, 660 is cool, but it also needs to confirm that by getting back above the blue line. So it still has a chance because that candle is going below, but it's still, oof, look at that candle. Oh my goodness. Right, so technically it looks like they're trying to keep it above the 200. So this is the last level, final support. If not, it's gonna get entered. Just printed, Justin. Monies. Dang, the S&P is struck. Oh wow, yeah. Oh my goodness. Yup, we're dumping hard. So clearly the trend is to the abyss. La. Minus 18%. No way. No way. That thing's down 18%. SMCI. What? Why? What happened to all the hype? Netflix had earnings, so that would make a lot more sense. Yeah, maybe these things are really just coming for the retest. Like this one would need to come all the way to 700, so there's still a lot of room to the downside. Sheesh. Did you see Holo jump from $2.45 to $4? I did not. No. Are you sure it wasn't a glitch? Maybe in pre-market. Maybe. Anyways, yeah, Holo had some really good support at 250 though. Right, look at that, 250 double bottom demand zone, and there goes 270. MNDR, that thing doesn't know how to go down. It just goes up. If we close red today, it'll be the first time of 6 red days in a row since September 2022. Those are good stats when you're dollar cost averaging the dipskis, you know? Those are good stats, Dan. BSFC with a bit of a bounce. Ooh. BSFC. Interesting pop. I don't see any news, but yeah, just a random pop from the demand zone. Yep. Penny stock though. Na 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 na. Uh, earnings concerns. Yep, isn't it? Isn't it crazy how the market sentiment changes and people panic or like FOMO? People were buying this damn thing in the thousands. Like, where do you think it was going? And then now it's like, oh yeah, earnings concerns, drop, drop, drop. You know? Yeah, Carla. Yeah, crazy how sentiment changes. But it all it does is create nice opportunities. Not too long ago, yeah, from $1.50 to $98, back to $2.50. Crazy. Of emotions, yep, yep, and monies. But yep, yep. I we don't play pennies anymore. What do you mean? I mean, people play penny stocks. I just don't talk about them a whole lot. I don't talk about them a whole lot. Choo 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 choo. Yeah, you're looking for position there. Yeah. Oh, that thing is just the downtrend is the only concern here, Justin. You know, just the downtrend. Hopefully, you get a nice pop candle here soon. Hopefully. Emotions, emotional damage. No, 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 no. EC, EFC. True, and stop loss hits. Yeah, it's just struggling with the downtrend. So until that thing reclaims and actually like holds a few candles above, nope, nope, and it's about to get the one of the worst signals here, right? The 9 EMA crossing the 200 would be very bad unless it finds a way to stay above. Unless it finds a way. Is it a month late? Maybe. I'm sure they stagger it out, Carla, and they sell slowly, right? So I bet you those dudes have been dumping it since they could. So yeah, right here where these two moving averages are converging, Justin, that this is going to be interesting. This level is going to be really interesting. So we'll see. Going to be very interesting, and it's bouncing because they maybe don't want it to cross, because if it does, then it's officially over. Officially over. Officially over. Indo, yeah, Indo's bouncing back, and Wisa's back in the 660s. 660s. Much more likely to hit consistently than home runs. Yeah. When you're playing momentum, the percentage less. So whether a stock is up a dollar, 10 to 20% is the same. Yeah, exactly. 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 They're about to crash the markets again. I'm really surprised Tesla is holding 150, but then again, the damn thing is down like 70% for the you know, is down 70% to 52-week lows. So how much lower does it want to go? A dollar, 120. But anyways, anyways, TVTX, TVTX. With a Europe pattern or whatever that is. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, locking in profits feels so good. Yeah. Instead of letting them run. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. When you have a really good day though, and you can let it run, that must feel amazing. You know, when you can be in a position and it just goes in that direction all day. I bet you that feels amazing. But yeah, scalping is the way, the way. Futures especially. We have another 15 minutes and then we're gonna hop off and go to Discord, and then Josh and I are gonna come back. And then Josh and I are gonna come back for Bitcoin halving. So just keep an eye for when we schedule it. For when we schedule. Ready? Back to Z50. 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 Mm, 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 mm. We are going to have a good time. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. SPY 530. Do, 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 do. No, 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 no. Okay. 7 p.m. Eastern Time. uh, na, 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 na. Freevo, see you later. Yeah, Visa is still playing games here, Justin. So um, the longer stays there, though, the weaker it looks. Because the 9 is actually crossing the low with it sitting there. So not a good thing. Come on, something give us a last rally. Is it going to be BSFC? BSFC. Blue Star Foods. Josh, by the way, this is the company that said they were giving, food, giving food to the military. They were combining their efforts with somebody else to give food to the military, and it went from like 8 cents to 14, 15 cents. And we made it very clear that be careful with all of that rubbish, especially when you don't know what the numbers are. And guess what? From 15 cents right back down to 8 cents, 7 cents, 6 cents, and now it's bouncing again. But if you diamond hand it, straight to the bridge. So it doesn't matter how amazing news sounds, play your chart and move on. What the hell? It's snowing outside? Yeah, it snowed here 2 days ago. 2 days ago? Yeah. Snow. Snow. I'm telling you. Silly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. Chilly. It's -2 right now. -2. Silly, silly, silly. But the weather does warm up at some point, I guess. I guess. Next week. Canada. Yeah, I thought summer was coming, and then boom skis. Boom skis. Nope. Boom skis. Can't imagine how snow in mid-April. It was 85 here yesterday. Yeah, no, there's always that one day that it snows, when like when summer's coming. Spring, spring snow. And now that Dubai has been destroyed by it, I wondered how they feel. Yeah, I saw those videos. Wow, isn't that crazy? Like you guys have seen those videos, right? You guys have, yeah. Let me see if I can pull up YouTube here really quickly. Search uh, flood. Like it's crazy. I want to pull up like a news outlet that isn't gonna be an issue, like it's bad, like. And then some people are driving the jet skis, like in the you guys won't be able to hear this, but they're like, oh, let's raise some hats. How about you take those hats away, please? Look at that. This is not natural rain, by the way. This is because these guys were cloud seeding. So I mean, they don't really get a whole bunch of rain. So I mean, you would, yeah, look at that. Like the planes can't seem to take off. Uh, yeah, look at the airports. Like it's rain. Look, look, look. Oh my goodness. And then look at these people. Oh my days. Okay, I want to see other things though. Look at that. All over the place. An entire year of rain in 24 hours. My goodness. Entire year of rain, 24 hours. Yup. You can't really go anywhere with that. Like, where are you going to go? You met. Damn, look at that. Uh, Habibi, that's a lot of rain. When you manufacture weather, yup, 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 yup. Look at the ambulance. Damn. Nah. Sheesh. I'm sure this guy's explaining exactly what's look at that. Look at the people walking in the to the markets. Sheesh. That's wild. Anyways, anyways, to the bridge. Yeah, looks like it. Sounds like a good issue to have. I'm sure that was the intention. I'm sure that was the intention. They got NSATs. I'm sure that was the intention. To make some rain in weather like in a region that usually doesn't get it a whole lot. I'm sure that was their intention. Ooh, look at that thing pop, Justin. Dang, it had to come off that level, didn't it? So, yep, 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 yep. Yeah, maybe to some degree this is good for them. I don't know, but yeah. Nah, nah. Got stuck in Dubai because of the conference. Oh wow. Okay. Yup. 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 Yup.
According to Wikipedia, cloud seeding is a type of weather modification that aims to change the amount or type of precipitation, mitigate hail or disperse fog. The usual objective is to increase rain or snow, either for its own sake or to prevent precipitation from occurring in days afterward.
That's it. I thought Google was gonna give us more, but I just gave us the obvious. Uh, Indo's dipping. Yeah, it's dipping. Aaron. Yeah, it's dipping. Um, yeah. So these names again, scalping, right? So you have profits, you lock in profits, especially today on into the weekend. Yeah, maybe we can come back to these names at the end of the day. As we go into the weekend, maybe people are gonna get excited again. But yep. You're spamming Holo. Well, hopefully it goes higher. Yeah, stock seeding is when we pump a stock and it's up 1,000%. You know, or when the market makers manipulate a stock and it goes boom skis. Boom skis. Let's go back to BSFC here. BSFC is hitting new highs. Now it goes 9 cents. BSFC. I think people are looking around and there's nothing pumping, so they're moving on to penny stocks. That's usually how it happens. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go. Wow. Wow. Why is SPY crashing? Crashing? Pavan? La. We're bouncing a little bit. Meh. Not it's still in the same range. Have a wonderful weekend, Lynn. Began in when Aaron activated. Isn't that crazy? Like stuff like this happens, and I bet you there's so much stuff that happens that we have no idea about. Like if we knew half of the things, or 10% of the things that happened, I think people would riot. People would riot. Um, yeah, crazy. Yeah, Visa pushed all the way back to $7. Madness. Your tinfoil hat. Top. Doo-doo-doo-doo. No. Yep. Oh my goodness. Highs of the day riots. Yeah, it looks like today is the day for MNDR and crypto miners. CLSK. What are we at? That thing actually pushed almost to 17. Yeah, almost 18, and then dipped. But Riot has been leading the way today. I just think that's because it sold off the most. Yeah. Riot is actually only up 7% now. What did we just, what's Mara at? It's only up 7%? Because that's really interesting because the last time we looked at it, Riot was at 9%. Mara and CLSK were at 7%. So Mara caught up to 7%. CLSK also caught up to 7%. Yeah, interesting, isn't it? So, yep, yep. So Mara is right is clearly the least liked one. Visa is back to $7. Retesting the VWAP. Nice little curl. Nice little curl. BSFC still looks okay there. Watch 10 cents for resistance if you need it. Watch 10 cents. Uh, yeah, let's delete that. Feels good about you, yeah, Mike. Yeah, when the market's like this, it feels good to not do anything. You just sit back and relax. There are multiple good days in the market. There's no need to like be in every single, to be playing with stocks every single day. There's no need for that. So if the market looks like rubbish, just sit on your hands and wait. MNDR is amazing. If you're still holding MNDR, just type in yes. I want to see how many people are still holding this. Choo choo. Yes. Okay, nice. Made cookies the other day, and for using her critical thinking skills. Let's go. Amazing. Some 340 calls for Palo Alto earnings coming up next month after that drop, Richard. Okay. Yep. The sell-off was so small, to be honest. Yeah, I was really hoping we would gap down huge this morning. Huge. I hate when we recovered the losses and then we trickle down all day. So stupid. So stupid, Josh. I was rubbing my hands. It's like, come on, Spy. Open at 490. Tesla open at $29. So let's just get it over with. But no, we just had to recover for no reason. Visa still fighting the VWAPs. Yeah, BSFC is just stalling below 10 cents, Varun. It's new. You're going to get it. Oh, wow. That's cool. $29 per van. Just get the dip out of the way, None of this yep. None of this trickle down every single day. But nope. I guess we decided to come to a senses. Dude. No. In the Middle East as a catalyst. Yeah, perhaps people are so numb. Yeah, we always find a way to go back up anyway. So I think people are just tired of the rubbish. Also, nothing's really happened. Nothing, not a single thing has happened. All they've done is shut up rockets in the sky. Unless we're just being lied to, which is very possible, but very, very possible. Very possible. CLSK is back to the highs of the day, 9%. Ooh, 1770. Beautiful. 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 BSFC is crashing. Surprise. But I love the trickle. I know you do. I know you do. There goes CLSK. Yeah, these Bitcoin miners are doing really well into the halving. Yeah, on the weekly, despite the short term. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Anything that's connected to crypto is doing a lot better today than the actual market. So maybe crypto finally came to its senses. Yep. La. Yep. 1772. La. 1773. Varun, what's your question? Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discords and spam stuff. See if the markets continue to crash. See if the markets continue to crash. No. Vegas monies. Let's go, Josh. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, all these penny stocks were ruined. Yep. No. Visa? I know. Yup. That's frustrating, isn't it? Yup. What is the meaning of life? According to the Urban Dictionary, the meaning of life is I'm trying to replicate the ChatGPT response. It's a really good response, but I don't know. It's not showing up. Sky, make sure it hasn't expired. Because sometimes it expires. Like if like if you paid for 3 months and then it expires and then it just disappears. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. The meaning of life. Yeah, it's a really good definition. Let me see if I can find it actually. Okay, let me
According to the late 20th century philosophers, Bill and Ted, life's purpose is to be excellent to each other. And party on. But that's just two dudes' opinions.
That's a pretty good one though. That's really good. TWG. Okay, let me pull it up. That's actually really good. I like that one. TWG. Bill and Ted. TWG. 260 resistance there next. Yeah, these guys have been played the some instruments. Yeah, that was a nice breakout. It was a really nice breakout, Lion. Yeah, 260 resistance. Yeah. Be excellent to each other. That's a really good one. Yep. Be excellent to each other. You don't even know Bill. I have no idea who Bill and Ted are, but I like what Bill and Ted are saying. Be excellent to each other. I think we need to do a better job of following exactly that. Following exactly that in traffic and politics, at work, at you know, excellent adventure. Okay, is it on Netflix? Where can I watch it? Where can I watch it? Bill and Ted, excellent adventure. uh, and concept it may exploration and understanding of one's values, passions, and relationships. Yep, yeah, agree as well, Mike. From ChatGPT, yeah. There's so many different. Yep, so many. I do like the one though that says be excellent to each other. If everybody did it, some people can be nice and some people not nice, because then everybody's not nice. Like Dan is not nice, you know, not nice. Do 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 do. uh, la 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 la. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Perfect. It's going up again. Kapesh. Yeah, we'll take a look in Discord. Starts there. At the 90s classics. Yeah. Yep. Over the holidays, maybe. Not enough holidays to watch all the movies I need to watch. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it here for today. We will be back later today for Bitcoin halving. And so, if you have any questions, anything else, bring them. Any Bitcoin questions, bring them. Alrighty. Have a wonderful weekend. If we don't see you again, we'll be in Discord for the rest of the day. Well, till we come back. Be safe. Much love. And 80s and 70s. That's gonna take me 100 years, Sammy. Let's go, birdies. Later. In prison. Let's go, Rich. Have a wonderful afternoon. Yeah, Dan can cook. Have a wonderful weekend, Annette. See you later, Jay. Lion, CLSK. I'll take a look. Thanks, Jay. Have a wonderful weekend. Oh, why is Lion all excited? CLSK, not CLSK. CLSR. CSLR. Oh wow, what the hell happened there? Damn. Mike, see you in Discord. Hands and hips. Let's go, Joe. See you in Discord. Oh my goodness. Wow. That thing just came out of nowhere and said bye. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Huh. It's halted. It's actually halted. The damn thing is actually halted. CSLR is halted up. This is one of the first stocks I've seen that's actually halted below 70 cents. Oh my goodness. Now do we have to wait for a second and see what happens when it's unhalted? And I think of you while I barbecue this weekend. Actually, I'm going to barbecue this weekend too, Dan. I'm going to barbecue this weekend. So take that. Take that. Thanks, Camilla. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the pennies. La la la. The S&P is at 497 now. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Yeah. La la. Uh, I've never seen a penny stock halted around 50 cents. I've never seen it. So how this damn thing is halted at 54 cents, I don't know how. It moved quickly though. Like out of nowhere, it just said, ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you imagine like getting, holding this thing from 25 cents and then going to the bathroom, coming back in 5 minutes, and then boom skis, it's halted at 100%. Oh my days, that's Christmas. 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 Yeah, a few of you guys are spamming holo. Uh, la, 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 la. Uh, wow. Slow thrust. Come on, unhalt it quickly. Unhalt it so we can leave. Mara is at the highs of the day. Yeah. Yeah, CLSK is looking really good. Really good. So Josh is going to be partying in Vegas. Mara. Yep, 1660. That's a really nice run. 10%, 10%. Oof, nice. Very, very nice. And snow? No, the snow is going to be melted by tomorrow. Is it too late to buy, Alina? It's halted, so yes, it's too late. Yep, too late, too late, too late. It's going to open not at 54 cents. So that's the only issue you're facing now, right? So when it unhalts, it's not going to be at 54 cents. So you don't know what price that it's going to be at. So it could easily open at 60 or 70 cents or 40 cents. So that complicates your entry a little bit. Almost back to $3. $3. Dog with hat is looking good. Onyx. My goodness. Yeah. Dog with hats. We're gonna look at more of these these coins when we come back. But yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, it's done well over the last 24 hours. It seems it's one of those top gainers. Actually, the second highest on the top 100 list. So Hex and then Dog with hat. Nice. Finally had a great day. That IPO from the other day. Yeah, TWG. Twig, 28%. And this thing's on halted at 57. Why they halted this damn thing, who the hell knows? But it's still pushing. 58. I would be careful. Lena, if I was looking for an entry, I would want it to dip a bit. Because you know it's going to give you red candles. As soon as you buy this thing, it's going to give you red candles. So it's going to need to consolidate. I don't see a reason why it's pumping like this in the first place. I don't know what the company does: industrial services, engineering, construction, whatever that means. The company is from California, San Ramon, California. So 58 cents back to 54 cents. So yeah, maybe there goes 52 cents, right? So yeah, beat just 51, and here comes 50 cents. So and there goes 49 almost. Right? So yep, it's let it consolidate, and if it's able to break above 60 cents, then it most likely will push again 58 cents. So if it can consolidate above the 9, cool. If not, it needs to break above 58 cents for the next run. No, 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 no. They're all criminals. Oh my goodness. Great data, crypto bubbles. Yeah, I like crypto bubbles. It's really cool. You can find some really good ideas on there too. Nah. Uh, la, la, la. La, 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 la. California. The King, what's your position in AGBA? What's your position? Yeah, Twig is curling. Basically, a breakout retest is what it's doing. So $2.30 back to 245. That's not bad. So watch 260 next for your resistance. That thing is impressive, isn't it? $27 MNDR. It just keeps creeping up and creeping and creeping and creeping and creeping and creeping. Are you going to take profits today, or are you just going to keep it? Keep it, keep it. Uh, uh, looking good. And there goes 46 cents, Lena, right? It's dropping. So let that thing drop, right? As exciting as these stocks are, like if you miss this entire rally, don't go jumping in. Red candles will come. Guaranteed. Red candles will come. So now, can it stay above 45 cents? Can it consolidate above 44? It's back to 42, right? So look at that. We just went from almost 60 cents, 100% to 62%. Right? So if you forward into this thing, you just held a nice bag. So let it consolidate, 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 and then start to curl, signs of going back up, and then you can play with it. Oh wow, the markets look nasty, 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 nasty. Yeah. So again, please, Lena, I know you just joined Discord. Go to the Getting Started channel or the Educational channel. There's a video, the last recording in there, members only video. Go watch that video. The video that says when to buy something, something, something. I don't know what it's called. But that should help you on, entries and exits, entries especially. Like I'm looking to buy this stock. What am I looking for? Go watch that video over the weekend. And if you have any questions, just ask in Stock General. So, when should I buy? What am I looking for when I'm trying to buy a stock, right? So, especially these momentum names, that video should really help. Should really, really help. Should really, really help. Yeah, the big stocks are dropping. Yeah. Yup. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Anyways, all again, see you guys later. Lab D. You loaded up on Lab D. You better be green, Sky. You've gone back to your old ways. You got back, Sky. What this tells me is we're gonna gap up hard on Monday. I'm kidding. Oh my days. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. If you agreed already, okay, good. You most likely will be for the rest of the day because I don't think anybody has any hope. Like we just probably just sell off into the rest of the day. Uh, why would markets have no reason to bounce today? So then you can make a decision at the end. Make a decision at the end. La, la, la. A decision at the end. But again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new. We're going to be in Discord, so if you're not a member yet, click this link at the bottom here from Nightbots and come join us in Discord. If you do become a member, just send me an email. Email is at the top there, HotTradesX, and I will send you an invite. Other than that, again, be safe and have a good rest of the day. Right, y'all. Much love. Much love. Cool beans. Let's go well. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. The only hope is MNDR. And look at that. CSLR is pushing back for 55. So a bit of a dipski, curly curl, and then back to 54, 56. And there goes, we're back to the highs of the day again. On the wick of that candle. The spread is scary, but anyways, bye guys. Bye all. Bye.